Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we break down real tech and robotics innovations, cut through the hype, and help you decide what's worth your attention and investment in 2026. Today, we're diving into Nauticus Robotics, a company that's been making waves with its underwater robots, autonomous systems, and ocean exploration technology. Between ambitious demos, deep-sea missions, and big funding rounds, a lot of people ask, is Nauticus Robotics legit? Or is it just hype and empty promises? Let's break it down clearly, honestly, and without the fluff. What is Nauticus Robotics? Nauticus Robotics is a tech company focused on developing autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and robotic systems designed to support subsea infrastructure, inspection, maintenance, and ocean research. Their flagship products include A1 and A2 underwater robots for remote missions, autonomous systems for inspection, repair, and data collection, software platforms for remote vehicle control, partnerships with maritime and industrial players. The promise: make underwater robotics accessible, efficient, and scalable for industries like oil and gas, renewable energy, defense, and scientific exploration. Why Nauticus gets attention? There are several reasons Nauticus Robotics has become a name people talk about. Real-world use cases. Their robots aren't just concepts. They've been deployed in inspection and data missions, including infrastructure monitoring and subsea surveys. Big funding and investors. The company has raised significant capital from institutional investors, signaling confidence from backers who understand hardware and deep tech. Ocean technology hype. Ocean robotics is a hot sector in 2026, especially with increased demand for renewable energy infrastructure, offshore wind farms, and subsea cable monitoring. Demonstrations and media. Nauticus often shares high-quality videos and operational demos showing robots in action, which reinforces legitimacy in the eyes of many tech watchers. Is Nauticus Robotics legit? Yes, Nauticus Robotics is a legitimate company. Here's why. It's not a shell or marketing page. It produces working underwater robots that have been tested in real conditions. It has real customers and paid contracts. It has attracted professional investors with experience in robotics and industrial tech. Unlike clear scams, Nauticus isn't making impossible promises like double your money or secret technology you won't believe. The company's messaging is rooted in robotics, engineering, and practical applications. But is it overhyped? Now let's break down some realities that people don't always talk about. Scaling underwater robotics is hard. Developing autonomous systems, especially for challenging subsea environments, is expensive, slow, and technically demanding. Reliability, maintenance, and deployment logistics are serious hurdles. Milestones take time. Robotics companies often take years to move from prototypes to full commercial adoption. Early demos can look exciting, but real widespread usage typically happens much more slowly. Not a consumer product. Nauticus Robotics is not producing robots you can buy off the shelf. Their systems are tailored for enterprise clients with specific needs, which limits short-term market impact. Public visibility versus progress. Like many deep tech firms, Nauticus shares impressive visuals and updates, but much of the engineering effort happens behind the scenes and isn't as flashy. So while the company is legitimate, some expectations based on demonstrations or press can be optimistic compared to real-world timelines. Use cases that matter. Where Nauticus Robotics is actually making progress: subsea infrastructure inspection for pipelines and cables, offshore wind farm maintenance support, environmental data collection and oceanographic surveys, defense and surveillance applications. These are high-value, high-budget sectors where automated underwater systems could replace or augment human divers and manned vessels. Risks and challenges in 2026. Before calling it a breakout company, it's important to understand the risks. Technical complexity. Underwater autonomy remains one of the hardest robotics problems due to pressure, currents, navigation, and communication constraints. Regulation and safety. Operating robots in shared marine environments requires compliance with strict rules, which varies by region. Commercial adoption cycles. Heavy industries like energy and defense tend to adopt slowly, even when the technology works. capital intensity. Continuous R&D and hardware manufacturing require ongoing investment. Final verdict, legit or scam? Nauticus Robotics is legit, absolutely not a scam. The company has real technology, real deployments, and real enterprise interest. However, it is not a quick growth consumer play or an instant revolution. It's deep tech with long timelines, real challenges, and high expectations. If you're interested in robotics, ocean tech, or industrial automation, Nauticus is a project worth watching. Just go in with realistic expectations about timelines, costs, and adoption curves. If this review helped you understand what Nauticus Robotics really is in 2026, give the video a like and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down real tech, real companies, and real innovations so you don't have to sort through the noise. Turn on notifications so you never miss an honest breakdown like this. See you in the next one on GigaBits.